The raids began before dawn, agents arresting 24 people across the country, among them doctors and executives from medical equipment and telemedicine companies charged with Medicare fraud totaling $2 billion. In Rochester, New York, Neil Sweetman received a box full of back and knee braces from a medical supply company in Florida, prescribed by a doctor in another state.
The order was written by a doctor in North Carolina. My father lives in Rochester, New York. He's never seen or heard of this doctor.
Medicare was charged nearly $3,000. Today, HHS and the Department of Justice alleged the kickback scheme involved overseas call centers targeting the elderly and using doctors to prescribe medical supplies they didn't need.
These doctors are alleged to be paid kickbacks in order to write these prescription or orders for this equipment. And they're not seeing these patients. They may be talking to them over the phone, but as alleged, these conversations are minimal at best.
Sweetman's daughter believes he received a phone call from a telemarketer but didn't understand he'd actually ordered supplies. The victim in these scams? The American taxpayer, you and me, paying billions of dollars for medical equipment that's neither needed nor wanted.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.